Hey there, homeowners. If you're tired of battling mold and mildew in your home, stick around because today I'm sharing some game-changing natural hacks using tea tree oil and vinegar that'll have you saying goodbye to mold for good. First things first, let's talk about why mold is such a pain. Besides the nasty smell and appearance, mold can actually be harmful to your health. That's why it's super important to tackle it as soon as you spot it. Now, instead of reaching for those harsh chemical cleaners, I've got a couple of natural alternatives that are just as effective. Let's start with tea tree oil. This essential oil isn't just for aromatherapy, it's a powerful mold fighter too. Here's what you need. 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil and 1 cup of water. Mix them together in a spray bottle and give it a good shake. Then, just spray the solution directly onto the moldy area. Let it sit for about an hour, then wipe it off with a clean cloth. Easy peasy. Tea tree oil is great because it has natural antifungal properties, so it doesn't just remove the mold. It helps prevent it from coming back. Plus, it smells pretty amazing. Next up, let's talk vinegar. Good old vinegar is an excellent mold and mildew remover too. The acidity in vinegar breaks down mold spores and kills them. All you need is white distilled vinegar. Pour it into a spray bottle, undiluted, and spray it on the affected areas. Let the vinegar sit for at least an hour. Then scrub the area with a brush and wipe it clean with a damp cloth. You might notice a strong vinegar smell at first, but don't worry, it'll fade away as it dries. Trust me, it's worth it for a mold-free home. For an extra boost, you can even combine the two. Mix 1 part tea tree oil solution with 1 part vinegar, and you've got a super-powered mold buster. Just follow the same steps: spray, wait, scrub, and wipe. And there you have it. 2 natural, effective, and affordable ways to keep mold and mildew at bay. So, next time you spot those pesky spores, reach for your tea tree oil and vinegar instead of those harsh chemicals. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home hacks and DIY tips. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.